So you've seen in the last video, I've decided to carry on with the callook. I've cleaned all the surface rust that was in there and the loose rust. Now I'm going to put a plate in under here. And also I've noticed, not only do they double up on the heater channel, you've seen that, but they've added this piece in here. So we'll have to cut that out, just cut along there. That should take this piece off, just a support piece. And also where the heater channel was doubled up, I'll try to grind it off. I'll just cut and make a new plate all in one here, so that'll be all boxed in one. Let's see, yeah, just see if I can cut in there. Right, new blade, get in there, got the guard on. Safety first, especially when you're here working on your own. A couple of years ago, I had one of these grinding discs explode, it stuck in my leg. So, yeah. Maybe I had to get in. Not really. This solid piece they've added is all pretty structural. What I'll do, I'll get big old chisel. He's got a spot chisel, if you don't mind. Let's see if we can find it. Here it is, and just chisel it off. This just uses for spots. Nearly there, and there you go. That's what they've done there. That's the end of the original heater channel there. They've added this piece. So I'll bring you back. That looks a lot cleaner already, because that's the Napoleon's hat in there. All nice and clean. I'll box it all in like original. There you are, sorry. I'll box it all in like original, but I want to cut this piece here and cut along there, so I have a nice square piece to make up. Happy days. Loads better even from yesterday. And that's that piece there that I'll try to clean up, but best to cut it out. Let's have 3 or 4 bits done. Just a case now. Pan out, box all that in, and repair the floor here. A lot more cleaning to do. Bingo. That's crazy. The 2 outer 70mm body mounts, a little bit of WD-40 need to come off. So yeah, I'm gonna have to rebuild this, but I don't think it's actually needed, to be honest, because they've welded in a plate onto a plate, and then I've got to weld in the heater channel on the side, so I don't think I even need it. But I can cut it off, it'll be all nice and clean. And there he is. I don't think it is needed, to be honest, in this build. So I might as well. Where's the lights in there? Just cut it off and clean it up, and it's doing nothing, especially when it's all been. Yeah, I'm gonna get that cut off. See, there's another piece in there. Look. That'll be a lot cleaner. There you are. Sorry. Yeah. Now that's doable to work around and fix. So on the bad child, all my mates on there. No names. And running joke. Always repairing rust. That's rusty coco, but just don't know what they mean. I mean rust. So yeah, when they say about rust, I ain't got a clue. I don't know if it's just taking the mick or what, but nope. Cut it out. Go from there. So, right, I'm gonna see what I can do here. Make up some templates, but I think that could be it for today. I'm out here again Thursday and Friday on this bad boy. So see you in a second for you. Same day, I'm just the front body mounts. Once the heater channels roll into the front, I can then bolt it up, this plate up. He's all coming together. We'll have to clean this one up first, but yeah, just offered him up. He's got to sit lower, I'll go up against there. We can weld. Then I'll cut this down to fit. And that's it. Wow. Do a bit of the edge of the floor there to that. A little bit more cutting to finish this video off. So, what I'm doing is cutting the edge of the floor where the part of the heater channel was connected. I do read your comments, and someone said it's effed. It's not effed. I've repaired a lot worse. I welded this piece up inside at home Wednesday. So, I've got my inner lip. Obviously, all this will be welded up, like I've said before. But you know, I've got the inner lip there, which I've made. He sits on there. Like that, that's him. Obviously, that would be welded up to there. There, and an extra piece there, which I've got cuts over there, I've done. Yeah, there. I took that piece home. Also, made that lip. So that would be the join for there. So it's a case, welding this on, then build up the corner piece. But again, thanks for watching. That's just a quick update. I was out here every day this week. It's Saturday now. I'm just here for a couple hours like I normally do. Usually a Sunday. But, quickly show you. Big Al cut a roof off my rotten shell. That's been out here 6 years. He cut the roof off literally less than a minute. We saw. This is my Wizard chassis. It was totally rotten, but I'm rebuilding. That's the Wizard over there, so that's all good. But I'll have space to put a car here next week, get all the bushes cut, go through that again. But at least then I can get another car pushed out of the way. So happy days. You know, I'll get the bare metal bug where the caddy is. I won't put the caddy back there. I'll probably put Project Matey back there for the time being. Leave the caddy as it is, but this one here can go there, that, there. Yeah, happy days. What a last couple of days out here. I can't show you that, what it is. That's on a future build. Bad Chad. And yeah, I wish I could show you that. On Facebook you'll see it, but no, it's not effed. It's an easy repair. Got repair panels, look, heater, I've got it all. Nothing's changed. It's all supported. So with that, I'm going to clean the rest of that up before I go. Then I'll measure that piece to cut. So at least then we've got our flooring back in, you know. So then there's a case of doing the heater channel there on top, and Bob Trunco. Get all that sorted. Thank you, appreciate you watching. Just hit the thumbs up. Cheers.